Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Logitech mouse instant fix step by step clearly. Start by gathering your Logitech mouse and a USB receiver if it's a wireless model. Make sure your computer is turned on and ready. If your mouse requires batteries, insert them according to the polarity indicators. For USB wireless models, plug the receiver into an available USB port on your computer. For Bluetooth models, ensure Bluetooth is enabled on your computer. Turn your Logitech mouse on by sliding the power switch to the on position. If using a USB receiver, your computer should automatically detect the mouse. For Bluetooth models, press and hold the pairing button on the mouse until the LED light starts blinking. On your computer, navigate to the Bluetooth settings. Search for available devices. Select your Logitech mouse from the list of detected devices. Follow any on-screen prompts to complete the pairing process. Once connected, the LED light on the mouse will stop blinking and remain solid. If your mouse is not working, try unplugging and replugging the USB receiver. For Bluetooth, try turning off and then on the mouse again. Ensure your computer's Bluetooth drivers are updated for best compatibility. Test the mouse's functionality by moving it and clicking. Adjust settings like sensitivity through your computer's control panel if necessary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.